Hey artists, Miss Kit, and I'm back with another little lesson for you to try. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make marbled paper using simple materials at home. All you will need is some paper, a paper clip, some paper towel, and a dish of water. And the most important ingredient, nail polish. Now before you go running over and emptying out your mom's cupboard full of beautiful, expensive OPI and nail polish, make sure you ask for permission first before you gather materials. Let's take a look at how we can turn this into some beautiful, magical marbled paper. Before we start, I wanted to show you my manicure that I got just for you for this little lesson. What you need is a dish or container of water, some nail polishes, some paper that will fit in the dish that you're using, a paper clip or something to use to marble with, something thin will work best, a scrap paper, and some paper towel. Okay, let's get started. Start by taking your nail polishes and lightly dabbing the surface of the water. You want to be quite close to the surface of the water. If you drip it from high up, the nail polish, the lacquer will sink to the bottom. Then add some more colors. Notice how it's spreading and dispersing across the surface of the water. You can kind of make a bit of your own pattern or think about what you want the final product to look like. But know that this is an experimental process, and we're learning by doing and learning each time we pull a new paper. I'm not going to marble the first one. I just want to show you what it looks like just with the lacquer on the surface. Place the paper on top and push it down with your fingers and check out what you've got. You will now want to remove the leftover residue with that scrap piece of paper. That helps lift any leftover nail polish off the surface before you do your next pull. Once you get that layer off, you can start adding more nail polish to your surface. Some of the nail polish did drop to the bottom, but that won't affect the top for marbling. Choose your colors, add to the surface, again being mindful about how you're touching the surface of the water and not dripping it from too high up. Once you have all the color you want on the surface, it's time to start marbling. Use your paper clip or your thin tool and lightly put it into the water and drag it in different directions, bringing the colors to merge and swirl into each other, creating that marbleization effect. Same thing, take your paper, lightly put it on top of the surface and push down. We push down so the excess nail polish goes on the back. And voila! Your marbleized magical paper using nail polish. The possibilities are endless. Play, have fun, and use that nail polish to make that marble paper.